This is the crank that comes with the trailer. It's just a 7/8 inch bar stock, and it goes into here, and if you turn it in a clockwise position, the thing goes up. Well, it's a lot of effort, and there's an air conditioner on top of this pop-up. So what I did was I cut off about 2 inches of this. This was 2 inches longer, and then I took an impact socket, and which fit directly into this, and then a friend of mine tack welded it on all 4 corners, and then you put in this adapter, and then I can just put it right into my drill, and I can lift the top of the camper and I'll take it the rest of the way, the very top with the hand thing, because it basically is just to get a lot more feel for it. And there, we're at the top. Yep, perfect.